We are in Jain Temple of Tumkur Road, National Highway 4. Let's explore the temple and let's have lunch in the end. It's a huge temple and it's completely white marbled. You can see a office in the brown in the center of the premise. You can see a office, and then one more temple, a big temple, the main temple, and is at the back of the office. So let's visit one by one. Right behind this there is a Bhojanalaya, the eating center, eat out center of the temple. So let's visit the first temple. Look at the doorstep, beautifully carved, amazing architecture. Let's get inside. Let's go to the office. Let's go to the main temple and then the office. Let's do pradakshina of the temple. So we can even see the surrounding of the temple. Let's go around the temple. This is Bhojanalaya. We get to eat food. On full moon day, the food is from the trust. So it's completely free and we get varieties of food like kheer, puri, gulab jamun, 3 to 4 type of sabji. So it's amazing on full moon day. And on other days we have to pay and eat. So we will even have food in the last. Look at the door. Beautiful architecture. Let's move toward the main temple, which is on the other end and which is bigger than this and beautiful too. So let's move toward the bigger temple, then we will go to the office, and finally in last we'll go to the Bhojanalaya, which is under construction, which is not complete yet. वो मंदिर का पुजारी. This is office of the temple. Here you get food coupons and general inquiry about the temple can be done here. So let's walk first toward the main temple. There is a small garden area also. You can see varieties of plant in it. So after visiting the main temple, we'll go there. We'll sit for a while and then take a coupon, have some food, and then back to home. So this is the main temple. It's quite big. At the back there is residence also, like Gurujis or the saints of Jain saints come and visit here and they stay here. Look at the architecture. It's beautifully beautiful. Even the steps. Let's get in. The puja is going on, so let's not talk inside, but the cleaning work is going on. Let's get out from the side and we'll do parikrama. We'll go around the temple. At the back of the side, it's a residential area, a residential place for saints, Jain saints, who come by walk from distant place. So these are the residents. Look at the carving, look at the sculpture. It's completely made of marble. This is the residential area, and you'll find a small garden which makes the place beautiful. Let's go out. Now some temporary construction work is going on. So let's go out of the place. This is right beside National Highway 4. This is right beside on the Tumkur road. This is the office. From here we'll get food coupon. But before that, we'll see the stage and garden area of the temple. Below this, on the base, on the ground floor, there is Durga Devi temple. This is a Jain temple. And Padmavati temple. You can see here, Bhojanalaya time. Then some information about the temple. Then let's get into the Padmavati temple. Let's get into this. This is Padmavati temple. For me, all goddesses are same. So I call Durga Devi because she looks similar to Durga Devi. Beautiful door of the temple. Now let's go out in the garden area. Let's get into the garden area. And even a stage is built for any occasions, celebration. So let's check it out. So the huge building, that's the Bhojanalaya in the ground floor, and it's under construction. Maybe the office area, newly built office area, or some other purpose it might be used. And this is the old residential quarters for saints or for general people who come from distance. There there are sadhvis, Jain saints. Yeah, Jain saints. Jain saints.
कहाँ से आए हैं?
जी मैं सिटी से आई हूँ, सिटी से।
अच्छा अच्छा, कहाँ पे रहते हो इसे सिटी में?
जी दासरली यहाँ से ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है।
दासर अली ना, मैं कल दासर, मैं ऐसे ऐसे तो चिकपेट से ही आई हूँ, अरे इस सिटी में से आई हूँ।
आप साधु हैं ना?
हाँ साधु है।
तो आप यहीं बैंगलोर से ही हैं?
हाँ बेंगलोर से ही है।
अच्छा,
कैसे करी थी बकरी ने काट मारी थी क्या?
सफाई कर रहे हैं। आप लोग एक ठिकाने पे कितने दिन तक रहते हैं?
नहीं हमको एक गांठ के पीछे रहते हैं जहाँ पे बोलते वहाँ
4 महीना
चौमासा में।
चौमासा,
हाँ जो जुलाई से।
जुलाई से। अच्छा
अभी थोड़े थोड़े दिन जो बोलते हैं ना, वहाँ पे हम लोग जाते हैं।
अच्छा, आप सिर्फ 2 लोग ही हैं यहाँ पे?
हाँ हम सिर्फ है ज़्यादा, लेकिन यहाँ पे 2 ही आए हैं।
अच्छा, आप पैदल चलते हैं ना?
हाँ, पैदल ही चलते, पूरे वर्ल्ड में पैदल ही चलते हैं। पूरे वर्ल्ड में कहाँ पर भी जाना हो।
लेकिन आप लोग विदेश तो नहीं जा पाओगे क्योंकि समुंदर है बीच में।
नहीं हम विदेश नहीं जाएंगे और जाएंगे भी नहीं। हम जा नहीं पाते क्योंकि चल के ही जाना इसलिए। और
जिंदगी शांति वाली, सीधी साधी जिंदगी, एकदम सरल जीवन है आपका।
एकदम सरल जीवन, और पाप बिल्कुल नहीं करने का।
हाँ, आप लोग तो ये छोटे मोटे कीड़ों को भी
कीड़ों को नहीं, हम तो पानी
पेड़ पौधे,
हाँ पौधे, अग्नि और लाइट वगैरह किसी को भी टच नहीं करते हैं।
हाँ, फोन, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, कार, कुछ भी नहीं।
कुछ भी नहीं।
मैं कुछ साल पहले यहाँ आई थी तो कुछ साधुओं से मिली थी।
हाँ।
और वो शायद 4-5 थे।
हाँ।
तो उनके साथ कुछ वक्त बिताने का मौका मिला था मुझे।
अच्छा ऐसे करना। और तुम कौन है, ऐसे कहाँ से क्या?
मैं यहीं से हूँ।
जाने के लिए क्या करना, उसका मार्ग ये ज्ञानी ने बताया है। तो ज्ञानी ने बताया ये मार्ग पे जो चले वही सुखी। हम लोगों को सब कुछ होता है
जी,
कोई भी बात की कमी नहीं हुई, लेकिन मालूम है कि यहाँ छोड़ के सब जाना है, तो उसके पीछे चिपक रहे रहने से अपना कुछ भी नहीं होगा।
सही कह रहे हैं।
यहाँ से मर के जाएंगे।
हाँ।
अभी कहाँ पे रहती हो?
जी मैं दासरली में ही रहती हूँ।
अच्छा दासर। तो हमारे लिए वो दिन हमारे लिए बहुत ही अच्छा दिन है।
Day after there is a program because she was initiated. She is a saint and she's initiated and she has completed 44 years of
not 34.
44 and so it's a celebration day after, so we'll come day after again to visit the celebration of she becoming a saint. This place is known as Parshvalabdhi Dham. It's a Tirth Dham, Jain Tirth Dham. मैं आती हूँ थोड़ी देर में, फिर घूम के फिर आपके पास बैठूंगी।
बैठना। और तुम ये समझो, मैं तो ऐसे, हम लोग तो सब करना, वो मेरे पास रहेगी ना तो समझ में आएगा।
हाँ हाँ,
तो फिर बस वही जो तेरे जीवन का लक्ष्य रख के मुझे सच्चे जीवन जीने की।
this is a small garden area with beautiful plants and trees, and even this side there is a small garden. Wonderful experience today. I was given some service, some seva by the nun, so got a chance to serve the nun. So this is stage area. Now it is under construction because of the lockdown corona thing. It is not clean. It's because it's not in use. So this is a stage area for functions, some events, and this is new Bhojanalaya building with office which is under construction, which is not yet constructed. So before Bhojanalaya, let's take coupon, because on normal days we have to pay for the food, and on events, on certain events, on certain pujas like Purnima or the annual function of some nun and monk, some celebration is done. So on those days the food is absolutely free. So today we have to pay, and to pay for food let's go to office. So now we are moving toward office to get the coupon for food for lunch. So let's go. This is the first temple which we covered in the video, and then the office, and then the big temple which is toward the right hand side. So let's go to the office to get the coupon. So here is the office entrance. On normal days, let's take food coupon. एक भोजनालय का कूपन चाहिए, एक के लिए का कूपन कितने का? 80 rupees. Let's pay 80 Indian rupees. So this is Bhojnalay coupon, and now we are going toward Bhojnalay to have food. It's worth 80 rupees on normal days, and during some event it's absolutely free with varieties of food like kheer and gulab jamun and lot of other puri, rice, dal, etc. etc. Entering Bhojnalay. Beautiful area, clean. Big area, big space, clean, neat and beautiful. So let's check today's menu and then we will end the video.